Today, I am reviewing the MSI Crosshair 18HX AI 18-inch 2.5K 240Hz gaming laptop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you have been looking for a laptop that basically tries to replace your entire desktop setup, the MSI Crosshair 18HX is probably already on your radar. But after spending the last 2 weeks using this thing as my primary machine for both heavy gaming and actual work, I have found that while it is an absolute beast on paper, it brings a very specific set of compromises that you need to know about before you drop this kind of money. Let's start with the performance because that is clearly the main selling point here. The Intel Core Ultra 9275HX is, for lack of a better word, overkill for almost anything you're going to throw at it. I spent a good amount of time rendering high-resolution video files while running background tasks, and the system never once stuttered. In gaming, the pairing with the new RTX 5070 is interesting. You are getting DDR5 memory here, which definitely makes a difference in bandwidth-heavy titles. I ran Cyberpunk 2077 at high settings with ray tracing enabled, and the frame rates were consistently smooth. If you are a competitive gamer who needs those high refresh rates, that 240Hz screen is genuinely impressive. It is bright, sharp, and the color accuracy is good enough that I felt comfortable doing some color grading on it without needing to plug into an external monitor. However, we need to talk about the physical reality of owning an 18-inch laptop. This is not a portable machine in the traditional sense. It is heavy, the power brick is essentially a brick, and finding a backpack that actually fits this thing is a chore. If you are a student or a digital nomad who plans on taking this to coffee shops every day, you're going to regret that decision within a week. This is a desktop replacement. It is designed to sit on a desk, maybe move from your office to the living room, and stay plugged in. If you are curious about the current pricing or want to check out the specific model details, you can find the link below the video. The cooling system is another area where I have mixed feelings. MSI's Cooler Boost technology is effective, and it keeps the processor from throttling during long gaming sessions, which is great. But the trade-off is the fan noise. When this thing kicks into high gear, it sounds like a small jet engine taking off in your room. If you are using speakers, you might not notice it as much, but if you are wearing open-back headphones, that fan whine is going to be a constant companion. It is just the reality of packing this much power into a chassis that, while large, still has to fight against physics to stay cool. The keyboard and the port selection are definite highlights. The SteelSeries RGB setup feels tactile and responsive, which I really appreciated during long typing sessions. Having a full array of ports including Thunderbolt 4 and a proper RJ45 Ethernet jack is a huge win for anyone who actually uses their laptop for professional work. I hate having to carry around a dozen dongles just to plug in a mouse and an external drive, and with a Crosshair 18, you simply don't have to worry about that. Now, who is this actually for? I think this is the perfect machine for someone who lives in a smaller apartment or a dorm room where a full desktop tower just isn't an option. It is for the person who wants to play AAA games at high settings, do some serious content creation, and have a beautiful, massive screen without sacrificing the ability to pack the computer away in a drawer when they are done. But there are definitely people who should avoid this. If your primary goal is portability, look elsewhere. You will be much happier with a 15-inch or 16-inch chassis. Also, if you are sensitive to fan noise or you're mostly playing lightweight esports titles, this is way more power than you need. You're paying a premium for the Ultra 9 and the 5070, and if you aren't utilizing that horsepower, you're basically throwing money away. My biggest disappointment with the device is the software bloat that comes pre-installed. MSI has a tendency to include a lot of proprietary software that feels intrusive and often unnecessary. I spent the first hour of my time with this laptop just uninstalling utilities I knew I would never use. It is a minor gripe in the grand scheme of things, but for a machine at this price point, I would prefer a cleaner, more streamlined experience out of the box. Value-wise, it is a tough call. You are getting top-tier components, but you are also paying for the MSI branding and the specific engineering that goes into an 18-inch form factor. You can find the link below the video to check current pricing, but I would suggest waiting for a sale or a bundle deal if you're on the fence. It is a premium product, and it feels like one, but only if you are the specific type of user who will actually utilize the power it provides. Overall, the MSI Crosshair 18HX is a powerhouse. It is a compromise-heavy machine, as all high-end gaming laptops are, but it is honest about what it is. It doesn't pretend to be a thin and light ultrabook. It is a massive, loud, and incredibly fast desktop replacement that handles everything I threw at it. If you have the desk space and the budget, it is a solid contender. Just make sure you are ready to deal with the bulk and the noise.